today in Chennai, we are pleased to launch a wide range of products which are energy efficient, which are heavy duty, which are loaded with technology like artificial intelligence, and these products are also covering a range which includes uh, fa- facilities for high air quality, like the inbuilt air purification. Um, BLUESTAR was the first company to have inaugurated a factory for air conditioners in South, in Sri City, and we are a high market shareholder in Southern region. We have been doing well, and our products are well received here, and we hope to further build on that leadership, and we are making available products through this launch which are affordable, which are in the premium range, which are in the flagship range, depending on the consumer, which means we do have a product in every price point. And we are expanding our distribution network, and we are expanding our service network, which means we are also skilling a lot of people for undertaking this installation and the service. For BLUESTAR, Southern region had been the biggest contributor, and specifically Tamil Nadu to our business. And in line with our commitment to celebrate our 80th year, there are special offers that are also being run for the 80th year.